I speak to the future unfolding before me. Doors of opportunity swing wide. No more closed hearts or missed connections due to unhealed scars. I attract mentors who guide, partners who cherish, communities that uplift. Break every curse of relational barrenness. Let fruitfulness abound. Deep friendships, covenant love, legacy building bonds that echo into eternity. And in this moment, Holy Spirit, comfort the child within, the inner self wounded in innocence, hiding behind adult facades. Soothe the fears, heal the abandonment issues, rooted in early betrayals. I declare integration. Every fragmented part of me unites under your lordship, whole and harmonious. Oh God, I accelerate this onslaught against every lingering shadow.